Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about the burger menu. The burger menu is a menu section that appears on the right side of the tour and is a great tool to use for navigation. It consists of items, sub-items, buttons, and gives you numerous possibilities, which we're going to explore. To find the burger menu, go to Spaces, select a tour, go to Workspace, go to Digital Twin Studio, and click on Burger Menu. To activate the burger menu, pull the toggle to the right. Please note that if you already have the burger menu created from the previous tours, just click on these three dots and click Import Menu to import it. Now we have a few settings here. Open on launch. This is to have the menu open automatically as you enter the tour. Then we have Open on hover. This will make the menu to open as you hover over it. Always open. This will make the menu to be open no matter what. And notice you cannot close the menu. Full screen on mobile. This will make the menu to take up the entire screen on your phone. Disable menu tooltip. Use this to hide the menu button tooltip. Enable search bar. This will display the search bar here within the menu. Expand menu categories. Use this to have all menu categories expanded upon entering the space. And enable transparent background. This setting will make the background of the menu slightly transparent. Notice it now, and if I disable it, it is more opaque. Next up, we can customize the burger menu even more and play with colors, and we will get back to this section. Now, notice this button, click on it, provide a name, let's say our website, and here you can insert a URL, for example, of your webpage. So I will insert the 3Ds website here and click Save. Now notice the button here, and as I click on it, the web page will open in a new tab. It is a useful feature to provide more information about your website or any other specific resources relevant to the tour. Now let's build our menu. Click on the plus sign, and here we have a few options, and we will get over them in a few seconds. But now let's add a menu item. Here we have different action types that we can select from the list. Action types are actions which will be triggered upon clicking on this menu item. For example, let's choose iframe. An iframe means that a web page can open inside the tour as you click on the menu item. To add an iframe, provide a URL. Make sure that it has been tested with the iframe tester to verify that the URL is iframe compatible. Here is my URL. Provide a name and click Save. Now our first menu item has appeared in here. You can also check it in the menu. As you access the public link to check the result, go to the menu and click on our first menu item. And now you can see the iframe has popped in here and you can navigate the information about 3D modeling from this Wikipedia page. Now let's add another menu item. Let's say we add a navigation path. The navigation path helps you navigate the space with a specific path with navigation bubbles, which you will notice in a few seconds. So all you need to do is to insert a tour link here with location, which we're going to do in a second. As we have accessed the public link of the tour, let's go to one of the rooms. Let's say this will be our bedroom, and click Ctrl Y to copy the location of the space. Go back to the workspace and insert your link here. Let's name our item and click Save. Our item has appeared in here, and now we will go to the public space again to see the navigation path, right? So we access our menu, we see our bedroom item here, and as we click on it, the navigation path has appeared with the navigation bubbles, and we can go ahead and follow the bubbles to navigate to the space. This is a useful feature to help again with navigation through the spaces. You can also use the next button to have a flyover effect to the destination. So now that we've seen how to add menu items, we can add submenus also. So let's add a submenu For the sake of this tutorial, I just named my submenu as a submenu, and it looks like this. And of course, you can assign different action types for it. Here in the button section is another place where you can edit the button, which you see here. Another thing that you can use is add all tags. So basically you are adding all tags that you have in the tour as menu items. So if you click yes, all your tags have appeared here, and you can check the tags in the menu, of course. So how is this useful? If you click on the tag here, you'll be redirected to the tag in the tour, and any action type or some extra information that the tag contains can be accessed through this menu. So as you access the public link and you click on any of the tags, this is how it should look like. Additionally, you can import Matterport labels as well through this menu dashboard. So now that our menu has more content into it, we can go ahead and customize the colors. You can basically customize and pick the colors for almost each and every section. For example, menu all means that you can pick the color of the whole menu. Menu hover means that you pick the color of the menu when you're hovering over it. Menu text, choose the color of the text you want in the menu. Button color is where you pick the color of the button. Button hover is where you pick the color when you're hovering over the button. Button text, pick the color of the text in the button. Search button is where you pick the color of the search button here. Expanded menu is where you are choosing the color of the menu when it is expanded. And the scroll bar section is where you pick the color of the side scroll bar of the menu. So there you go, now you have your customized burger menu.